Social Media Marketing Fundamentals for Business Growth. Social media marketing, SMM, refers to the marketing of services or goods through social media platforms, interaction with the clientele, and expression in the production of content. Social media marketing is a must-do activity.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
For any business that dreams of building a brand, keeping in touch with its audience, and boosting growth. The strategy should answer questions like what profiles are created, what content is shared, and how users are to be engaged with and called into a brand community. This is at the core of every successful online communication strategy. It will help a business increase its reach and find new advocates, thus developing stronger advocates for their brand. The article outlines the basics of social media marketing fundamentals that businesses need to learn to leverage the power of social media effectively. Understanding social media marketing. Social media marketing is a communication platform that is used by people or organizations to communicate with customers. Organically, a brand has to focus on generating different types of engaging content across every social media platform. Paid efforts to market through social media. Social media paid marketing can be included for directed efforts and for paid supportive content marketing to be used in customer acquisition and targeted potential customer lists for remarketing. Choosing the right platforms. Above all, it is very important to determine the ideal social media platforms with the competitive future of digital marketing, since not all the different social media could have brought the same business benefits. The social media targeting would also vary with different targeted audiences and marketing purposes. There are different advantages attached to different social media platforms, and it is logical to choose the platform for which most of the audience profile matches. Creating engaging content. Content is king and a staple of any kind of business if looking at prosperous social media strategies. As this is the social media world, no business could successfully relate to or keep its audience without great and compelling content. Other forms might consist of handy and informative blog posts, visually engaging graphics, interactive videos, polls, and so on. Know your audience. Social media is a two-way communication medium of sorts. Businesses understand well that there's a need on their end to discuss, mention, or respond on time to comments, messages, and mentions. So, take your interactions up a notch and just determine their reaction by asking questions, conducting polls, and showing some of your followers included photos and videos in your data, of course. Tracking and analyzing performance. Measuring the success of your social media activities is imperative when it comes to improving your strategies and accomplishing your marketing goals. Utilize the analytic tools social media websites make available to constantly track a host of key metrics, measures on variables such as audience reach, engagement, and conversion. Campaign data review allows organizations to improve their campaigns to attain more desired results. Be consistent. The development of a healthy posting schedule is quite mandatory to have an effective social media presence. It will become easier for businesses to win the confidence of their target market by increasing their reach and having a good reputation. It attracts followers, maintains them, and increases brand awareness among online users. Social media marketing statistics. More than 70% of the people who had a positive experience with a business via social media will recommend that business to others. It keeps adding itself naturally to show that your brand may become the subject of organic brand promotion.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.